Hello people, it's Zan here. Welcome back to Decrease, a place where we will show you some gems in the crypto world. So I have brought you an amazing project named as Mina Protocol. So let's get started. So the first interface looks like this. This is the world's lightest blockchain powered by participants. So Mina is the lightest blockchain powered by their participants. As you can see that Mina blockchain is 22 kilobyte in size. It is a fixed size, not like after 1 year, after 2 year, after 3 year. It would be of the same size like 22 KB. While other blockchain like BTC and ETH are like 300 gigabytes. So that's a lot, and with every addition of node, the size of their blockchain would increase, because they would verify the node from the start to end, and it would increase in size, and it takes expensive computers and mining rigs to record all their transactions. So here's the good use case of Mina protocol. So let me tell you background about Mina protocol, that how it works and everything. Mina is the first cryptocurrency protocol with succinct blockchain. Current cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum store hundreds of gigabytes of data, and as time goes on, their blockchain will only increase in size. With Mina, however, no matter how much the usage grows, the blockchain always stays the same size, about 22 kilobytes, the size of few tweets. This means the participant can quickly sync and verify the network. The breakthrough is made possible by ZK Snark, a type of succinct cryptographic proof. Each time a Mina node produces a new block, it also generates a Snark proof verifying that the block was valid. All nodes can then store the small proof as opposed to the entire chain. By not having to worry about block size, the Mina protocol website enables a blockchain that is decentralized at scale. So this is some good use case. It's like as an example, I would say that it's like sending a postcard of an elephant rather than sending the actual animal to the person. In theory, blockchain are designed to be held accountable by its user, when anyone can enforce the rules by validating an irrevocable public ledger. Power remains in the hand of the many, not the few. The decentralized structure is what allows the network to conduct trustless transactions. But in practice, this hasn't been the case. With legacy blockchain like Bitcoin and Ethereum, when a new participant joins, they have to check every transaction since the beginning of the network to verify correctness. Which amounts to hundreds of gigabytes of data. Most people can't afford the computing power it takes to verify these heavy chain on their own, and are forced to trust increasingly powerful intermediaries. This means most folk can no longer connect peer to peer, causing decentralization to suffer, power dynamics to shift, and the network to become more vulnerable to censorship. Mina offers an elegant solution for this, replacing the blockchain with an easily verifiable, consistent sized cryptographic proof. Mina dramatically reduces the amount of data each user needs to download. Instead of verifying the entire chain from the beginning of the time, participants fully verify the network and transaction using recursive zero knowledge proofs, or ZK snarks. Nodes can then store the small proof as opposed to the entire chain, and because it's a consistent size, Mina stays accessible even as it scales to many users and accumulates years of transaction data. That's why Mina ICO, in the ICO of Mina, a lot of people have invested there, and most of them didn't even have the coins because the supply was limited for fair distribution. So people invested in 4 hours. It has generated $19 million. That's a big thing, and there is no other blockchain in the space that offers such decentralization. If you're in it for tech, the answer is Mina. If you're in for money, well, the answer is also Mina. This is not a financial advice, but this is a self-education advice research. So rather than data itself, snaps validate a shares proof with the network. You just have to show the proof that the transaction has occurred. You don't have to give them all the data. So this is the thing that they use in this technology to reduce the size of the blockchain. So the main highlighting feature are like end-to-end data privacy from online to on-chain. Users can access critical on-chain services without sharing their personal data. Instead, they use Mina to access their online data to prove that they meet the requirement of service providers. No need for a trusted enclave that can be compromised. No data vulnerabilities end to end. For example, today Mina Snaps can connect to a credit score provider to prove that your credit score is above a certain threshold. Soon you'll be able to prove so much more from any website. Permissionless web oracles. With Snaps, developer can leverage private, verified, real-world data from any website to build decentralized app. They can input any information that is publicly available on the web without needing the website permission, and they can access, use, and protect sensitive data by only sharing the relevant proofs. No need for trusted Oracle or custom website integrations. So, one private internet login. Users can access anytime website or service privately without creating an account and handling over their personal data. Instead, they log in securely with Mina. No centralized service provider can block them, and developer across chains can integrate this private secure option into their services. So that's these are the good use cases of Mina. So that's why it's highlighting. Like you can see that it has been listed on Kraken exchange, and they say that Mina protocol is built to maintain its size regardless of the amount of people accessing it. It's for year of transaction history using a technology called knowledge proof. So one of the most anticipated project of industry to date, Mina raised a total of $18.75 million. Its token sale on CoinList in for only 4 hours. So that's amazing because people knew that this project is gonna earn them a lot. So let's have a look at the coin market cap. As you can see, the price of this Mina protocol is $3.68, and it's been up 3.19%, and last 24-hour trading volume is $22 million, and the fully diluted market cap is 3 billion, and the market cap is 554.9, almost 600 million. And look at the graph, it somehow started on $9, then it came all the way to $2 and find support here, and after that it has shown a static period, which is a good thing. Like it didn't fall from here because it have a strong use case, so that's why people sold their coins, and here people show the sell resistance, and after that it will have a dip again, and now it's all the way to 3.68. And as you can see that there are very big exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro. So if Mina get listed there, so more people would take interest in this, because people use Binance a lot and Coinbase Pro to buy tokens. So when it is listed there, the price would go up in so let's see when it is gonna get listed. So they have mentioned all of their docs and tech and community blogs, docs, everything is available on their website, which is very detailed, and you can know about them. So this is the Twitter of Mina protocol. They have almost 103. They have 103.5k followers. So as you can see, it's listed on OKX, Kraken, and this is the website. This is a video spotlight event. Everything is available here. So here is the co-founder of.
So imagine you're like an Amazon worker in Georgia or something, and you're like, wow, I really don't like my life or my work. I want to join the union. But you need to a way to coordinate with your fellow workers without fear of retaliation from the boss or whatever. So perhaps there would be some way to commit. I'm going to vote yes for the union, and that would enable you to join some union supporters only chat or something like that. And so you could use this like flexible authentication to be able to do that. Say, I'm allowed in because I already committed to voting yes or something like that.
This is ZK for creating unions. This is
yeah. So there's
I've not heard that. There's definitely a new one.
So Mina protocol will go a lot and further as it gets listed on Binance, and people would use a lot Mina protocol because as the nodes increase in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other blockchains, the size increase, and the computer can't do it anymore, and the mining rigs, everyone need a mining rig to do that, and need intermediaries to do all the stuff for them. So people would think about Mina because it's the largest blockchain ever created. So people would divert to this, and as you can see that the price is at 3.68. It will rise a lot in future, and it will regain its position on 9 and after the $25. So it's this all project looks quite amazing to me, and if you want to invest in Mina protocol, you can. As you can see, the circulating supply is 150.6 million. So you can still get into this project and use all that good use cases of it. And so this is the best opportunity for you guys before it goes to the moon. So if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, where we would bring you more gems from the crypto world. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.